hang out there.
Just hang out that way.
I don't know when.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, just hang. Just hang.
You are, dude.
There you go, just win.
See? Now hang out. Put your legs straight.
Further?
If you would, then that'll look like you're hiking out. I'm trying to catch the wind for you. There.
Right there, there you go.
There you go. Get your weight going.
If I say fatter, I'll tip over.
You see, that side's still heavier. If it's higher.
Sorry, I'm only 115.
Make a dip in the water.
What? What'd you say? Don't make me tip over. I can't swim.
You want to live in Hawaii, huh? Alright, get your weight out
There you
there.
go.
See the wind coming? Get your weight out there.
That's the part that she can lean.
Do whatever she can to go out there, but it's not like hitting that hard.
Hey, you gotta lean more, man. You gotta lean more.
Feel it?
There you go.
No, really? If we have to, you have to go on that side too. It gets too high. So you stay there, that's fine. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know, we
It's
gotta.
not going that bad. Oh, we died out.